This video shows you how to use the Microlet Next Lancing Device. First step is to unlock the end cap. Twist the white band so that the white raised mark and the black indented mark line up. Pull off the end cap. Next, get a sterile lancet and loosen the round protective cap on the lancet by rotating the cap a few turns, but do not remove the cap. Next, insert the lancet firmly into the lancing device and push until the lancet comes to a complete stop. Carefully twist off the round protective cap. Save the cap for disposing of the used lancet. Replace the lancing device cap and lock the end cap by twisting the white band until you hear or feel a click and the white and black raised marks line up as shown. The next step is to adjust the depth setting. The device has 5 puncture depth settings. Rotate the end cap dial to adjust the puncture depth. Smaller numbers are for a shallower puncture and larger numbers for a deeper puncture. Next, pull back the reset handle to prepare the lancing device. The release button is raised when the lancing device is primed. Press the lancing device firmly against the side of the finger and press the release button until the device clicks. Stroke your hand and finger toward the puncture site to form a drop of blood. Test immediately after you have formed a small round blood drop as shown. Carefully remove the end cap from the lancing device. Place the round protective cap that you saved onto a flat surface. With the used lancet still in the lancing device, push the lancet into the center of the cap. Push the gray lancet ejector forward until the lancet is ejected from the device. Discard the used lancet carefully after each use to avoid unintended lancet stick injuries. Attach and lock the end cap. Twist the white band to lock. This is how to use the Microlet Next Lancing Device. Thanks for watching.